Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, what do we have here? This is natural catch tuna, yellowfin tuna fillets in organic, extra virgin olive oil. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today this is a Mike Try. And this is a tuna that I found online that says it's the best tuna that you can eat. It's in oil, and usually I get it in water. And these are fillets. These come as a full fillet. So let's open them up, try them, and see if this is the best tuna I've ever had. Natural catch. Let's check this baby out. Let's open this up here. Okay. We'll slide this out. Look at this. It's good till 2029. So that's good. Pop this open and pull it out. Giving it a smell. It smells like tuna. They're full-on fillets. Check that out. That's pretty good. Let's get a close-up of this and then a bite. All right, there's the fillets. There's a lot. Remember, there's oil in here, so let's take the fillet out. I think it broke in half, but this is different than your ordinary tuna from a can, in a can like this. So let's bite into this, see what this tastes like. All right, there it is. It tastes good. It's got a nice, it has a really nice taste to it. I mean, of course it tastes like tuna. I mean, I like my tuna raw in like ahi form in sushi, but we're trying this baby here. Natural catch. I gotta tell you, it's pretty good. A little dry, but I'm eating it just like this. I think with some mayo, put in a salad. It's good. Is it the best tuna I've ever had? Maybe. I can't tell. It's damn good. Natural catch. This is in organic Spanish olive oil. Let's take a sip of the olive oil. I'm not kidding. Now that's good. You know, I think I would not throw this olive oil away. I would use it. Pretty darn good tuna. And good for you. Let me tell you what's in it. It's got 21 grams of protein. It's 40 grams of cholesterol. It's got 230 grams of sodium. And it's very, very healthy for you. Stay tuned. I'm going to have a video on why you should eat tuna. And I'm going to do something with this tuna. I think I'm going to make some fried tuna sandwich. Good. It's just good. One of the best tunas I've ever had. Check it out. Natural catch. I'm not getting paid for this. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Till next time. Eat your tuna. Peace.
Live life 365.
What's it called?